In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote Import Folders. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly bring files from your computer into Evernote and keep everything organized automatically. First, open Evernote on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Look down to the lower left corner of the app window. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing your account name or initials. Click on that profile section. This is where Evernote keeps all of your account and application options, including the settings we need for import folders. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This takes you to a screen where you can control how Evernote behaves on your device. You'll see different sections for things like Account, Preferences, and Features. Take a second to let it load, and then focus on the left side of the settings panel. On the left, find and click the section called Import. This is where Evernote lets you manage how files are brought into your notes. The import area may be fairly simple, but it's powerful. It tells Evernote which folders on your computer it should watch and what it should do with any files that appear in those folders. Now, in the import section, look for a button or link that says Browse Files and click it. When you do, your computer's file browser will open. From here, navigate to the folder that you want Evernote to import from. This might be a folder where you save PDFs, screenshots, or documents you want to turn into notes. Choose the folder carefully, because anything you drop into it later can be automatically pulled into Evernote. Once you've selected your folder, confirm your choice. Evernote will now guide you through a few on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts to finish setting things up. You may be asked which notebook the imported item should go into, and sometimes how you want Evernote to handle different file types. Take a moment to read each option so that new files land exactly where you expect them. After you complete the prompts, your import folder is ready to use. From now on, whenever you place supported files into that folder on your computer, Evernote will import them for you, turning them into notes and keeping them available